You're going to start by getting into your Gemini. From here, you're going to take that back leg, you're going to swing it back around towards you so your knees are touching, and you're going to keep that inside leg straight. At this point, you can think about pushing your chest forwards and seeing if you're comfortable to let go of the pole with your hands. To take this move further, I'm going to take my outside hand back on the pole. I'm going to use it to guide my body so now my chest is facing the pole. To come out of this move safely, I'm going to simply reverse everything. So I'm going to take my outside hand back on the pole. I'm going to windmill my arm round, so now I'm back in the front of the pole. I'm then going to bring my legs back into an invert position. I'm going to go chin to chest and slide down.